In this video, we will take a look how to allow circle shape cropping to get a circle shape cropped image. So what we are going to do is we go to our app dashboard and click create field. We can call it, for example, circle shape cropping. We say this should go to the product which is called polo shirt. Select. We scroll down and you will find the option cropping. You see you have the possibility to enable circle shape cropping, and you can also allow force cropping. That means it will automatically force the image to be cropped. So we click save. Field is successfully created. We go back, we refresh the page one time. We see here is our button. So now we click to select a file. In this case, let me select the fish. So, and we see that automatically the cropping tool opens up. So now we can crop it perfectly in a circle shape. Click apply and add. And here's our circle shape cropped image.